second
You don't want
game.
to
0-0.
too much more than that, right? Because you want to.
Yeah, you'd want less than that if anything.
It's going to be over by you. What's it? For this age and size of board, this field is just
It is. I was just thinking that.
it goes out of bounds. Everything.
Yep.
Orange, green.
They need just a little bit bigger.
Good.
Good out, boys.
Back, you guys. Good. Good, Hunter.
Uses his
Good, AJ. Take the shot, Hunter. Oh. Nice, good. Good job, Hudson.
Cut her off, guys. Cut her off, guys. Go, 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 go.
Ooh, close one.
That's how it was with Sid.
Go,
The
guys.
score would have been like 10 if they all had done it. It would have been like 10 or 12 to me.
It's hard to hit that.
Go, go, go.
Oh,
Did the gal who had knocked on cover of the shooter because she was sick and she didn't get back to you?
Yeah, I
Go, Charlie. Oh, wow.
Good shot, Hudson. Nice, AJ. Nice one.
She spent 5 years at the Rocky Mountain Youth Prevention Center, taking care of kids who were at-risk kids and had hurt themselves and hurt others.
Good, Hudson. Way to stay on him.
Pass, Hudson, pass!
The
middle.
Okay. Her daughter had a baby and wasn't married. So she's been taking care of him and the baby. And the only person she's ever taken care of by herself.
I thought they were 8-minute quarters.
Just for a couple years there.
Marty, wasn't it 8-minute quarters? Isn't it 8-minute quarters that we were supposed to play? Like, Paul was thinking it was 8.
Yeah.
Ron was thinking it was 8. The coach said it was 10. Now we're playing 10. I think it's 8.
I think it's supposed to be 8.
Yeah.
But I don't exactly
I know. Yeah.
read the rules.
Yeah. Details.
I show up and shout a little.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you suppose she got
After interviewing her, she was with us 2 hours. I always had them stay with us so I can see how they respond. She was just a little bit on the arrogant side. She was almost too laid back. Really honestly.
Now we're getting to go fast.
And then she asked, she said, "Well, does he play games?" And I said, "No." "Well, does he play?" And so it was like, yeah, we've been listening, and we're out and about. And
So give him room, Ryan. Ryan, spread out. Ryan, spread out. Ryan, spread out.
and I don't know, you know, in the winter time.
Hey, big kick.
Ryan, spread out. Come down this way.
She won't do less than 3 days a week. I just
Ryan, spread out. Give him room. He can kick it. You guys are too close. You guys
Spread
are.
out, buddy. Come
Ryan,
on,
Ryan.
You're for a big pass.
Spread out, you guys.
Go down the field, buddy.
Oh, jeez. Come on.
Good, Ryan. Good.
Stay.
Ryan, come over here. Right here. Farther back. Step back. He can kick it hard, buddy.
Harder.
forward.
Good. Ryan, go with them. Go with them.
And so I'd be asking questions that are not even pertinent to, you know, a lot of questions that are not pertinent to somebody else.
Press up.
And so could she do the job? Probably. She has a really good driving record. She doesn't have any background problems.
Nice. Good. Good, Tom. Or run.
Yes. Does she have the compassion that it takes to deal with somebody? I mean, she's dealt with some good, she's dealt with some developmentally disabled children, but I don't know that she's
Ryan, forward. Go forward, right.
disabled.
Good. Good, Corbin. Step in there, right.
Corbin! If you would have stayed up, you had a second shot, buddy.
Gotta stay on the key, man.
It's just form. He thinks he's kicking hard, but he falls. Gotta get the ball and go.
He likes the drama. The drama.
I have frustration in my voice because we've been dealing with this for 3 years.
On.
That's a good little pass.
Run with him, Ryan. Run forward with him.
All right.
Ryan, go forward with him, buddy.
Turn around and pass.
Nice, Corbin. Nice.
Back up, boys. Back up quickly. There it goes, buddy.
So I would.
Take it, right.
My
Right.
concern is that I don't really. Both people want at least 3 days.
There you go. Go forward, you guys. Go forward. Nice. Ryan, step in. Step in, Ryan.
I don't want.
Step in, Ryan. That's yours. That's yours, Ryan. That's yours, Ryan. Go, buddy.
You know.
Well, there's 7 days in a week.
Kylie,
If they each took 3.
kick it hard, Kai.
Oh, you could easily.
And maybe sometimes I won't have them do their own party because I'm going to come to Denver and visit and take the kids somewhere and go have
Nice. Good, Enzo. Good, smart play. Go for it, Tom. Good. Good shot. Good shot, Hunter.
Because if somebody has to take off in an emergency, I have nobody to fall back
They
on.
both don't want any less than 3 days.
Yeah.
So they're fighting over 5 days.
So I'm struggling with I'm trying to build a team of people so that I don't always have a backup. And how do you do that? If people want 3 days. In fact, the one lady that I've been talking to is like 4 days. And I just said,
Hey, buddy, it's a kick.
I think they'll get burned out.
Far off, huh?
So,
Take your time.
There you go, AJ.
so I talked
Nice, AJ. Good pass.
I called the other lady back.
Oh,
Good play,
job,
guys.
boys.
Good play.
I called Kimberly back. The guy I interviewed last week. And we had a visit yesterday.
Nice. Oh, good. Good job, Hunter.
And
Kimberly is who?
Kimberly is the one from Loveland. She's the one that's been taking care of the guy who had the brain injury when he was 2. A year.
Take the shot, AJ.
She wouldn't tell me the exact, but apparently they decided to make a change.
Go, guys.
I think the lady, she's on medication, the mom is, and she's,
Yeah, they're pretty close. Fields.
Because now all of a sudden she won't have that. But I haven't checked her records. So I wasn't
Fault
one of
for
them.
not giving that reference out there.
Yeah.
You got time,
well,
mate.
it's really her only good reference in Colorado. She's done other types of things, but this is what she really wants to do.
Boys, back there, defense.
Defense, guys.
He didn't fake you out, right?
You just heard a little.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, go, Enzo. Go, Hunter. Get it, buddy.
Same team.
Yeah, decide who's going to talk about.
So I
Good,
talked to
Hudson.
Lisa Moore yesterday, and she's still really interested in the job, but she's not very interested in TV. She's saying, I really like to make
Nice, good.
my thing is I don't want to take this job and then go look for another one.
Help him out. There you go, AJ. Good, buddy. Take it, AJ.
You know, if that's what you're going to do, just don't.
Fired, AJ.
I would probably give her 3 days. She shows more compassion than the other lady. She seems more compassionate.